Welcome back. In today's video we are going to look into how can you get to update your WhatsApp application without losing data in just simple steps. So I'll be showing you two ways. We'll start with the simple one, but before we get into that, if you do love my videos, find them valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course I'll be looking forward to you watching more videos like this, and of course providing you with more solutions. So step one to update your WhatsApp app is to head to your mobile phone settings. So you need to look for the to get the mobile setting option, and then I want you to head to the apps. So you'll need to scroll down here till the option whereby you're going to see the apps options, and then get to click the app management, and of course all the apps that you are using right now, they will pop up at this section. So you can choose to search one by one, but for our case we'll be focusing on WhatsApp. So I'll just scroll down here since WhatsApp is under W. So from here you can get to choose different options, one of which you can see remove permission and free up the space. The other thing, of course, manage notification permissions, and of course PIP is the option whereby you get to have the ability to update the app. So the other second way that you can get to do that is to head to your Play Store. Let me just go to my Play Store. My Play Store is just right here, and for this case you'll just need to search your WhatsApp Messenger, and then from here you'll have multiple WhatsApps. Of course I'm expecting you have the older version and you want to have the latest version. So for that case you just need to search WhatsApp, and let's give it a few seconds to search, and then it's going to show you that you already have an installed WhatsApp application. So what's required from you is to just go ahead, get to click the new version without uninstalling the old one. That way the new files will just be added into your phone, and that way you get to make money from that. So that's how easy it is. Hopefully you found some value in this video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.